G'day guys, Greg here. Now it is fish and chip review time once again. Woohoo! And today here I am at East Brisbane. There's a place here called the Barra Boys. So I'm going to go in and grab one of their basic fish and chips and suss it out. It's got a 4.3 Google star rating. Let's see what the old Grego gives it after he's given it a taste. Let's go get one. Alright, well here we go, the Barra Boys fish and chips. It's actually a cod and chips. It's not a barramundi, although I could have got barramundi for another $6. I thought I'd settle with the standard cod and chips. Anyway, $12 it cost. Let's suss it out. Ooh, yummity yum yum, dumbity dum dum. Oh, oh mate. Oh, have a look at that. Oh, dude, that looks awesome. Oh, mate. I haven't had a fish and chips in ages, but that fish looks nice, and those chips, they look really good too. So crisp. And of course, they got chicken salt on them. Tasty. These chips look really good. Oh, mate. So crisp. The outside is so crunchy and the inside just dissolved and melted in my mouth. Oh mate, they're beautifully seasoned. These chips taste great. Oh mate, if the chips are that good, I can't wait to try the batter. And they supply some cutlery too, which is always very handy. Right. Wow, this batter looks so just crisp and crunchy. Oh, and that fish inside. Look how white and clean and fresh it looks. Oh, mate. And it's just flaking away nicely. Oh boy, I think I'm in for a treat here. Ooh, batter, come at me. Straight away I got some good seasoning. But that batter is really light, really crunchy. It's definitely retaining some oil in there, which tastes nice and clean and fresh. That batter is good. What about this cod? Looks pretty good. So clean and white, isn't it? My, that is some really nice, clean tasting fish. Wow. All right. I need to try it all together. Right. That is good. That batter is so crunchy and the fish is beautiful. Slight sweetness about it, and well, it's just juicy as well. It's really good. It's not too oily or greasy either. It is Really good. Just what the doctor ordered. Now, it does come with some lemon, so you know what time it is. It's time for the lemon test. I'm struggling to squeeze this lemon because it's got a big, vein running through it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah, tasty as. I hope. Get rid of that seed. Oh. I don't know how it happened, but when I squeezed the lemon on, I got this really nice buttery flavour. The lemon must have combined with something in there that just really boosted the flavour of this fish and chips. Boy, was that good. Just look how thick that piece of fish is. It's really good size. And tasty and juicy. Oh, no. This is good. But I wonder how many stars the old Grego will give it. Well, $12 for this meal. That's pretty good. I really enjoyed it. The piece of fish was a good size and plenty of chips there. Not a lot. It's a meal for one, but boy, what a meal it is. These chips, man, they are really tasty. Beautiful and crunchy. Creamy on the inside. Beautifully seasoned in chicken salt, mate. What more do you want? The batter on the outside, so crunchy. Beautifully seasoned again, nice and light. Not too greasy, not too oily, but everything about it was great. And that fish in the middle, so nice and white and light and fresh and juicy. And mate, it was just a really faultless sort of meal. So for my Grego score out of 5 stars, I reckon this deserves 5 out of 5 Grego stars. Mate, this fish and chips, I just couldn't fault it. The flavour of everything was just spot on. Seasoning was spot on. The fish was great. The batter's great. The chips are awesome. What more do you want? It's a 5 out of 5 star meal any day of the week. Oh boy! I now know a good local fish and chips that tastes awesome, and well, if I'm ever fanging for one, this will be the place I'll be coming. But is it the best one? Who knows? I'm still on the search for the best fish and chips. Have I found it now? I might have, but who knows? There could be one better. Anyway, it's up to me to try and find it, so I'm going to keep searching, but I'll tell you what, the Barra Boys is an awesome one, and if you do go there, tell them Greg sent you. They might even have a clue. Anyway, I'm going to whip on down the creek and see if I can find an eel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat a fish and chips. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
Well, you can see where the floodwaters have come up here. But oh, this is great creek. It's got mangroves in it and everything. Beautiful. Can't see any eels though. That's alright. I've got a great fish and chips waiting for me at the car.